In this live section, we are going to solve a nice algebraic equation, x to the power of 3 plus s squared equal to 36. How do we solve for x? Solution. We have x to the power of 3 plus s squared. If we move 36 to the left side, that will be minus 36 equal to 0. So, x to the power of 3 plus s squared minus, we can rewrite 36 as 9 plus 27 equal to 0. Let's proceed further. So, x to the power of 3 plus s squared minus times 9, that is minus 9, minus times plus, that is negative 27 equal to 0. Let's proceed further. X to the power of 3 plus s squared minus 9 could be written as 3 squared minus 27 could be written as 3 to the power of 3 equal to 0. This implies that. Now, let us rearrange this equation. X to the power of 3 minus 3 to the power of 3 plus s squared minus 3 squared is equal to 0. You will see that it is possible to put these guys in brackets. Now, recall that a raised to 3 minus b raised to 3 is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. Take note of this property, it is very important. What we will now do now is to apply this property to this guy. By comparing this left hand side with this, a is equals to x and b is equals to 3. That means from this line, we have x minus 3 times, what is a? A is x, so this becomes s squared plus ab, that will be x times 3, which is just 3x, plus b squared. B is 3, that will be 9, plus s squared minus 3 squared equal to 0. Let's proceed further. Also, recall that a squared minus b squared is equals to a minus b times a plus b. Take note of this property. So from this line, we have x minus 3 times s squared plus 3x plus 9 plus, if we now apply this particular property to this guy, we have x minus 3 times x plus 3 equal to 0. You will notice something here. X minus 3 is common. We can pull it out. So we have x minus 3 into this guy, s squared plus 3x plus 9 plus x plus 3. Let's close the bracket, equal to 0. So x minus 3 times s squared plus 3x plus x, that is 4x, plus 9 plus 3, that is 12, equal to 0. Let's proceed further. This means that x minus 3 is equal to 0, or s squared plus 4x plus 12 is equal to 0. From this line, our x is equals to 3. This is the real solution. X equals to 3. Now, let's focus our attention on this quadratic equation. We have s squared plus 4x plus 12 equal to 0. We can solve this quadratic equation using quadratic formula. What does the quadratic formula say? It says y equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. From this equation, our a is equals to 1, and b is equals to 4, and c is equals to 12, the constants. What we now do now is to plug in all these values into this right hand side. So x is equal to minus, what is b? B is 4, plus or minus square root of b square, that will be 4 square, minus 4 times, what is a? Our a is 1, times, what is c? C is 12. Everything over 2 times a is 1. This is a. Let's plug it down. This means that x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of, what is 4 square? That is simply 16, minus 4 times 1, that is 4. 4 times 12, that is 48, divided by 2 times 1, that is simply 2. So x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 48, that is negative 32, divided by 2. Let's continue. X is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 32 could be written as square root of 32 times square root of negative 1, divided by 2. This means that x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus, we can rewrite square root of 32 as root 16 times root 2 times root negative 1. Opposite further, divided by 2. X is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 16, that is simply 4, times root 2. Don't forget, square root of negative 1 is I from the complex number. So that means we have I here, divided by 2. X is now equal to, this whole right hand side could be written as minus 4 over 2 plus or minus 4 root 2i over 2. X is equal to minus 4 divided by 2, that is negative 2, plus or minus 4 divided by 2. So we have 2 root 2i. This is plus. This now means that x is either equal to minus 2 plus 2 root 2i, or x is equal to minus 2 the sign minus 2 root 2i. You will see that we have two complex solutions, this guy and this, and we have just only one real solution, which is s is equals to 3. That's it for this video. Thanks so much for joining this live session. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Bye.